Guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a new type of static discharge palm plate. I am going to show you because many people who are buying from us ask us to, sir, please share a demo video, please share a demo video. So today we are going to make a demo video for our new static discharge palm plate with indicator. It have LED indicator. So first here is the how it looks. From back side it look like this. Very simple. It comes with a code like this. So I am going to explain more about it. First of all, let's talk about the material. The material behind this is acrylic. It's acrylic sheet, 10 mm approx. On that there is a ESD mat. It's a rubber mat, very fine quality, as you can see. Rubber mat have conductive layer and static dissipative layer. It's divided in two parts. You can see this part and this part. And top of that there is a meter. This is the meter, and in the center there is a LED indicator. So it works on the 9-volt battery basis. So if the battery run out, you just have to, you can see there is a 2 screw. You can open it by opening the 2 screw and change the 9-volt battery. It's a simple battery like this. But I advise you to use high quality battery like Everready or anything other. That will last longer in this. So now I am going to show you how it works. First of all, the cable you receive, you have to put the cable right here. It's mentioned here. You can see connect to earth. So first you connect this pin to here. Then you have to connect this point. Both of these points will be connected to earth. This will create a circuit, and when anybody touch this, the light will be on. I am going to show you how it works. So first of all, there is a 2-meter wire comes with it. So it's enough. You can connect it to your earthing point wherever it is. Right. Second, when you can see there is a 2 point given for the hanging it. Right. So you can hang it any outside area of ESD protected area. There is any area where you have to go, but before entering, you have to discharge the static charge of your body. So you can just hang this plate outside the ESD safe area, and any person entering in the ESD safe area must have to touch it for 5 seconds like this, and then they can enter. So the circuit works on like this. If both of these points are connected to earth and then anybody touch like this, it's complete a circuit, and then the lights goes green. Right? If I am touching it on the one point, it might not work. You have to put it right this so that one or both, there is 2 points, both should be connected by your palm. If both is connected by your palm and this is connected by earth. Currently I am holding it with my hand, so I am just showing you demo that my static charge from my body from this hand to this hand is passing. So it's completing a path. That's why it's getting green. It's completing a path from this point to this point. So it's passing a path, so it's turning green. But when you connect it to the earth, both points, and then you will touch it, if your earthing is proper, this will turn green. You have to keep your hand 3 to 5 seconds here, and this will automatically show green. But make sure your earthing is okay. Only if your earthing is okay, then it will be turn green. Otherwise it will not turn green. Like this. You can see if I am touching these two, it will not turn green. Right? But if it's connected to earth and then you touch it, it will show green. Like this. So it's a very unique model, because many people were asking, sir, when we are selling the simple palm plate without LED indicator, many people ask us to, sir, it's if our body static charge is discharged or not, how do we know? How do we know? So this is just for indication. indication. So yes, your body has been connected to earth, and If your body is connected to earth, definitely your static charge will be passed to ground. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. Further, you can buy this on our site. I will drop the link on my description box. For any more inquiry, please connect me later. Thank you.